So we are discussing the important questions of acids and bases lesson. So today's our first question is of why are sodium bicarbonate and lemon juice are used during indigestion? Why are sodium bicarbonate and lemon juice used in indigestion? Today's question. Why are so answer for this one? So please see here. What is the point here? Why are sodium bicarbonate and the lemon juice used during the indigestion? Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes. What is neutralization process? Acids will react with base. It gives salts, neutralized substance. So sodium bicarbonate is a base. Okay. Neutralizes the acidity in the stomach. We are taking different types of food materials which contains acids. Okay. So they will be neutralized. Hence it is used during the indigestion. When we have indigestion problem, we will go with the sodium bicarbonate. Lemon contains acids. Which acid is present in lemon? Citric acid is present. Which acid is present? Citric acid. It reacts with undigested food, and what this lemon will do? It softens the indigested food, which is hard in nature. It will soften, and thus lemon is also used in indigestion process. Did you catch it? Sodium bicarbonate is a base. Lemon is an acid. What is the work of sodium bicarbonate? It reacts with the acids present in the stomach and neutralizes. We know that lemon is an acid, but what it will make? The indigested food, it gets softens and helps the sodium bicarbonate to digest the food. Got the point? Why are sodium bicarbonate and lemon juice used during indigestion? Next answer is what is meant by lime water? How do we predict it? What is meant by lime water? How do we predict it? Let us see that. Not lemon, lime. Lime means calcium hydroxide. What is lime? Lime means calcium hydroxide. So let us see that. The second answer is what is meant by lime water? What is meant by lime water? Predict how it will be prepared. How it will be prepared. So for this one, answer aqueous calcium hydroxide solution is called lime water. We can prepare lime water by dissolving calcium oxide what is calcium oxide? CaO. Calcium oxide in water and by continuous stirring until it dissolves. So see here, what is meant by lime water? Lime water means it is calcium hydroxide. 2 we are having. Lime means calcium hydroxide. Pan. We will need pan, no? In that we will use a white color. Kirnila vesam. Chunna. We will say that one. A green colored that particular one is called as a calcium hydroxide or lime we will say. To whitewash also we will use. There also we will use calcium hydroxide. Did you understand it? Which we are taking? Which we are taking in pan we will take only little, that's why. If you are taking more, what will happen is your tongue will get wounded. We should not take much. A little we have to take. That for whitewash also we are using calcium hydroxide. So aqueous calcium hydroxide solution is called the lime water, and we can prepare lime water by dissolving calcium oxide. What is the formula for calcium oxide? CaO in water means calcium oxide when reacted with water gives rise to calcium hydroxide. CaO, okay, when reacted with water gives rise to CaOH twice. See here how many calciums are there here? 1. Here how many calciums? 1. Here how many oxygens are there? 1, 2. So here how many oxygens? 2. Here how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there. H2. Here how many hydrogens are there? 2. We have to balance the equation also. We have to balance the equation. What is this? Calcium oxide. When reacted with water, what is the formula for water? H2O. What is the formula for water? H2O. When reacted, what we are getting? Calcium hydroxide. We have to balance the equation also. So see here. So aqueous calcium hydroxide solution is called lime water. We can prepare lime water by dissolving calcium oxide in water and by continuous stirring. We have to stir it well until it dissolves. Okay, calcium oxide should dissolve in the water. So calcium oxide plus water gives rise to calcium hydroxide. This is called as lime water. Now we are going to see about how the blood comes out from the lemon. When jugglers, magicians cut the lemon, we can see that the blood comes out from the lemon. How it happens? How they will do that magic? Shall we know that one? Yes. How is it possible to make believe blood comes out of a lemon. How the blood comes out of a lemon? For this, the answer is so. See here. How is it possible to make believe blood comes out of a lemon? For that, the first point, when a magician or a jugger, magicians means jugger and a mantrikudu. Okay, then cut lemon, blood flows out of it. So we will be feared. He will tell something happened for you, someone did something for you. That's why you are suffering with fever, or that's why you are suffering with this, because of this, that. He means we all will be feared, and we will ask him what I should do, what are the precautions we have to do. He will frighten us and drag the money from us. Okay, magicians means just for making us fun. For fun's sake, they will do it. He uses knife dipped in methyl orange and hibiscus. What you can do, take a hibiscus solution, take 4 to 5 hibiscus and grind them. Take this solution and apply to the knife. Okay, now this hibiscus solution is natural indicator. And in the lemon what is present? Citric acid is present. This citric acid reacts with this lemon and it gives us hibiscus and it gives us red color. We know that when we are taking methyl orange when it reacts with acid it gives red color, and methyl orange when react with base it gives yellow color. Actually, what is the color of methyl orange? The color of methyl orange, in the methyl orange itself we are having, what is the color? Orange. Okay, what is the color in methyl orange? It is orange. When methyl orange reacts with acid, it gives red color. When methyl orange reacts with base, it gives yellow color. So, when I apply methyl orange to the knife, it gives, when I cut the citric acid, what will happen? It gives red color. Okay, then our hibiscus solution to cut the lemon, when methyl orange is mixed with citric acid, it turns red, but it is not blood. Did you understand that? There a chemical reaction took place, but the blood is not coming out from the lemon. And next, in many of our places, we find people doing this and presenting it as a magic. Now, in your house, you also can do. Your small, younger brothers and sisters will be there now. Without telling for them, you can apply hibiscus solution and cut them. Blood. We can frighten them, just like a fun sake. Did you understand? It is only a chemical reaction, but nothing happens to a person or a place. The juggers, what they are doing is just pretending us that we are going to face something. By this, today's question answers are completed. I hope you understood. Thank you.